أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in the last class we started Surah to Ibrahim and we finished for the first ayah. That's the only ayah we did last time. So I will revise that and inshallah we will learn more about this surah. Alif Lam Ra, and as I said before, these are called huruf muqatta'at, and Allah knows better what they mean, and we will not translate them. كتاب أنزلناه إليك لتخرج الناس من الظلمات إلى النور بإذن ربهم إلى صراط العزيز الحميد. A book, we sent it down towards you so that you bring out the people from darknesses towards the light with the permission of their Lord, their Master, towards the path of the Almighty, the path of the one who is always strong, always powerful, always praised and thanked. Al-Hamid. One thing new that came, which we had not discussed, was this li. This li is the third li that we have learned in this course. The first li was harf jar. It was a jar, and that li means four. It always comes before an ism. The second li that we learned was lamul amr. Lamul amr and this li, which is called lam kai, they both come before al-fi'lul mudari. The difference is that lamul amr makes the fi'lul mudari majzoom, while this lam called lam kai makes it mansoob. Other difference is lamul amr comes only with third person and first person. It doesn't come with the second person, while lam kai can come with first, second, and third person, like all of them. So if you see a lam like this, li, and the fi'l al-mudari is second person, then it uh, cannot be lamul amr, which is the case here actually. So be mindful of that, because the difference in meaning is big. This li, lam kai, means so that. So that. All right, so let's go to the second ayah now, and I will get some help from the participants now, inshallah. And let me ask Brother Shuaib with this ayah, inshallah. First part, brother.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Can you read
Allahillazi
parts? Yeah, please go ahead.
Allahillazi lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil arz.
That's good.
Allah is Allah. Allazi is the one who lahu for him. La is for who is him. Ma is what he is in. A samawat is the skies. Wa is and ma is what he is in. Al ard is the earth. Ah, uh, I guess it shows it is used in the context of ownership. So Allah, the one who uh, uh, the one
Allah is
who
the one who.
Allah is the one. Uh, okay. For him is what is in the earth and the sorry, what is in the skies and the earth and what is in the earth.
Very good. Allah is the one who, for him, is what is in the skies and what is in the earth. All right, that's good. That was an easy part. Yeah, thank you, Brother Shoaib. You should know more all the words in there. There is no new word here. They're all old words. Okay. Uh we have Musab with us. So Musab,
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
walaikum salam. Read the remaining part of this ayah, please.
Okay. وَوَيْلٌ لِلْكَافِرِينَ مِنْ عَذَابٍ شَدِيدٍ.
Hmm.
And wailun is
Yeah, wailun you probably don't know. Wailun means destruction. I am
this,
showing this now at near the bottom of the screen. You will see that.
right. Wailun is destruction.
Mm-hmm.
Li for al-kafirina, those who disbelieved. Min from azabin, punishment. Shadid, uh,
Yeah, it's from Shadda. Shadda means he was intense. Okay,
shadda means
he
shadda,
was intense. And Shadda Yashuddu, and that will be Bab Mudaf. Huh? Shadda Yashuddu, and then Ismul Fa'il will be Shad or Shaddun, which means the one who is intense, the one who is severe. And Shadid is like Hamid, like Aziz. No, this they rhyme. The song is the same way. So Shadid means the one that is always severe. Okay, now you
the
can combine.
and destruction is for those who disbelieved from the always severe punishment.
All right. A punishment which is always
From
severe,
a
which will
punishment that is
remain,
always severe.
yeah, which will remain severe. Okay. Uh, this li, you said it means for.
Yes,
So this means this li is different from the li in the first ayah. Can you tell us about the difference between the two ones and what are their names? First, start with this li in the existing ayah that we are talking about.
this is
What is the name of this li? We have learned three lis. Lam jar,
this is
hmm,
Namjar.
and there is a lam amar, and then lam kai. Which one is it?
This is Namjar
Lam jar. Why? How do you know it is lam jar?
because it is attached to the
Attached to what?
it's no because it
Al
means for
kafirina is what? Ism, fail, or harf?
fail
What's the meaning?
those who disbelieved.
Is there any action in it?
No,
Then how you can say it is fail? Kafirina, ina, like muslimina.
oh it's ism.
It is ism, right? Yeah,
Yes,
it is an ism. And lam jar always comes with an ism.
ism. Yes,
That is how you identify it. So if I ask you again a similar situation and there is an lam jar, you will tell me it is a lam jar because there is an ism after it. All right.
yes.
This is
All
how
right.
you're going to answer it in future. How you will answer that?
That it is a lam jar because it is attached to an ism.
Not necessarily attached to it, right? Right before it, right?
Because it is before an ism.
Yeah, there is a lam jar and then there is a ism,
Lam.
then that is why it is called lam jar because it always comes with an ism. All
Yes.
right, good. And this the one is lam kai, and this means so that because it is there is no ism after it.
All right.
Okay.
Right.
Allah is the one who, for him, is what is in the skies and what is in the earth. Mean belongs to him. And destruction is for the disbelievers. Kafara. Kafara yakfuru, like nasara yansuru. And ismul fa'il will be kafirun. Kafiruna, kafirina. Those who disbelieve. And destruction is for the disbelievers from a punishment which will remain severe, always severe, intense. This is ayah number 2. Now we go to the ayah number 3, inshallah. So we will divide this ayah into a few parts as well. Okay. We have Daniel. Daniel doesn't normally attend this class these days. Daniel, would you like to do this? I don't know, is it?
I can do it.
You can?
Yeah.
You know where we are?
Yeah, the ayah number 3.
From Al-Lazina, huh? Can
Okay.
you read up to here? Al-Akhirati?
Yeah. الذين يستحبون الحياة الدنيا على الآخرة.
Okay.
الذين, those who يستحبون, they ask to love الحياة
No,
الدنيا
no, no, no,
الحياة.
no, 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 stop. Yastahibbuna. What will be the first word?
استحب يستحب استحباب.
Yeah, very good. Istahabba. Yeah, I know you translated as what? Can you say that?
They ask to love.
No, yeah. That is normally what the case is for this type of word, but not in this case. So what will be the meaning of istahabba?
They prefer.
So yastahibuna, they prefer, right? Istahabba, we haven't learned this chapter yet. So istahabba, istahabbu. What would be the third one? Istahbabta,
استحبب.
istahbabtum. Can you keep going?
Okay. استحببتم استحببتم استحببت استحببنا يستحب يستحبون.
Good. So yastahibuna means again,
They prefer.
they prefer. Next one.
الحياة, the life, الدنيا, the world, على, over, الآخرة, the afterlife,
Yeah, afterlife, hereafter, huh?
hereafter.
Yeah. Can you combine now?
Those who prefer the life of this world over the afterlife.
There was one problem here, Daniel. You said world of life of this world. You said that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a problem with that. It sounds like you translated as if this was a mudaf ilayh. Life of this world. This is what you said, right?
Yeah.
But this is not a mudaf ilayh. You know why? Mudaf
Because
cannot have.
the mudaf cannot have al.
Yeah, so you cannot translate it as life of this world. So what will be the correct translation?
Worldly life.
Worldly life. Can you combine again, please?
Those who prefer the worldly life over the hereafter.
Yeah, those who prefer the worldly life over the hereafter.
Hereafter.
So Allah is telling us who are the kafirun, the kafirin, which are mentioned in the previous ayah, al-kafirina. Allah is defining those who prefer the worldly life over the hereafter. Good job. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. All right. Let's continue. For the next part, I will ask. I will ask brother Hamid Naeem, inshallah. Okay, he's not responding. So let's go to Abdullah Shoaib.
السلام عليكم.
Walaikum salam, Abdullah. Read it.
سلام. ويصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا.
That's good.
و and يصدون they
It's they. That's good. You know it. There is a they in there. That is what we expect in this class. So without going into the meaning, what will be the first word?
صد يصد
Sadda yasuddu. What chapter you will fit it in?
ضل يضل um
Hmm?
no, it's ظن
Did you say it again?
I think it's ظن يظن.
Zanna yazunnu. Bab
باب
muda'af. Doubling, huh? Level 2.
yes.
Sadda means okay. Sadda means he stopped. So yasudduna.
They stop.
Hmm. An.
An an is that no an is
No, that an is with the hamza at the beginning, which means that. This starts with an ain. It it has normally used in two meanings. From, or sometimes it means about. Okay?
okay.
This is a jar. This is a jar. The other an with the hamza at the beginning is not a jar. This is from huruf jar. Okay? An means from.
Okay. An from sabili path Allah Allah wa and
Yabghuna.
yabghuna
What's the inside door for yabghuna?
they
They. So that's good. You know that. Now we need to figure out the first word. What could be the first word? Guess.
abgha yabghu.
If it was abgha, then it should be yubghi.
Oh yeah.
Like aghna, yughni. But it's not yubghi, yubghuna. It's not yubghuna, right? It
Yes.
is yabghuna. So, do you get that now? Bagha yabghi.
Bagha yabghi. Okay. So yabghuna
What
they
chapter that will be? Bagha yabghi.
bagha yabghi
Sounds like hada yahdi to me.
yeah هدايا هدي باب ناقص.
Bab naqis. Second type. Bagha yabghi yabghuna. Bagha means he wanted. Yabghuna means
They wanted. They wanted.
they want.
They want
They will want. Ha,
it or her.
her. Ha means her.
Yeah.
Ewajan.
عوجا.
Yeah, this is a new word. Avija ya avaju. It's like by Samia. Avija ya avaju. Avija means he was crooked. Crooked means, but something is deformed, D-shaped.
Mm,
It's called crooked. Huh? You know this word, right, Abdullah?
yes.
Yeah. So Iwajan means crooked. Something which is crooked, crookedness. Huh?
Yes.
This
Okay.
is a masdar. Abija ya avaju iwajan. This is the masdar of this word. Can you combine now?
Okay. And they stop uh for path of Allah from path of Allah and uh and they want her
crooked.
they want her crooked.
Yeah, they want her
Crooked.
crooked. Yeah. So Allah is again describing another characteristics of the Al-Kafirin, and they stop from the path of Allah and they want it crooked. Ha refers to what word?
Sabil.
Sabil. Why is feminine?
Because
We learned 7 reasons to call something feminine. Huh?
oh,
And
Sabil is in the linguistic regions.
yeah, it's a linguistic reason, right? So path of Allah is straight. There's no crookedness in it, but they want to make it crooked. They want to make it look like crooked. Huh? And they stop from the path of Allah and they want it crooked, while actually it is straight. All right, thank you, Abdullah. Good job. And last part, I had saw a hand, I believe, before. Was it you, Saad?
I actually did it, but I can do it anyways.
Yeah, go ahead. Finish the ayah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك في ضلال بعيد أولئك those في in ضلال
First
um,
word.
um, ضل
Mm-hmm.
is it ضل يضل
Dalla yadillu. Dalla means
he went astray
he went straight. What is dalal then?
ضلال مصدر
Yeah, it is masdar.
uh,
Ba'id.
بعيد like far
Far. Ba'uda. Ba'uda means he was far. Ba'id is the one who is far. Very far. Okay, can you combine?
those are in astray very far.
Yeah. Those are in a stray, a far astray. Those are in a far astray. What does that mean? Far astray.
I did not understand it either.
You don't understand it either, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you wanted to go somewhere, right? But instead of going there, you lose your path. But you're still close, right? So there is a chance that you could come back to the straight path, right? The right path. But if
Yeah.
you but if you lose your direction and you go miles and miles away from the right path, very, very far, then the chance of coming back to the right path is very remote now. Correct? So
Yeah.
that is the thing here. They have gone very far in astray. That is what actually it means. They have gone in an astray which has taken them very far from the Sabilillah.
Okay, now I understand.
Do you understand that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which means that chances they would come back almost nil. Come
Yeah.
back to the right path because they've gone so far they cannot find the right path anymore. Okay?
Oh yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Jazakallah.
Those they prefer the worldly life over the hereafter and they stop from the path of Allah and they seek, they want it crooked. Those are in far misguidance. Let's go to the breakout room.